booking train tickets in the UK or Europe. Trainpal and Trainline both promise cheap fares, but they work very differently. Today, we're comparing prices, fees, features, and which one actually saves you money. Smash that like button and let's dive in. Quick breakdown. Trainline is the biggest train booking platform in Europe, covers UK, France, Spain, Italy, and 45 countries. Official partner with rail operators. Clean app, live updates, digital tickets. Trainpal focuses on split ticketing, automatically finds cheaper fares by splitting your journey into multiple tickets. Covers UK routes mainly, with some European options. Both save you money, but in different ways. Pricing and fees. Here's the big one. Trainline charges a booking fee, usually £1.75 per transaction in the UK, sometimes more for international routes. You're paying for convenience. Trainpal has no booking fees. Zero. They make money through partnerships. Plus, their split ticketing algorithm often finds fares 30–50% cheaper than standard tickets. You could save £20 on longer journeys. Winner? Trainpal, for pure savings. No contest. Coverage and routes. Trainline covers 45 countries: UK, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Switzerland, you name it. If you're traveling across Europe, Trainline has everything. Season tickets, railcards, international connections, all in one place. Trainpal focuses heavily on UK routes. They do have some European coverage, but it's limited. If you're mainly traveling within the UK, Trainpal's perfect. For Europe-wide travel, it's not enough. Winner? Trainline for international coverage. Trainpal for UK-only travelers. Split ticketing. This is Trainpal's superpower. Split ticketing means buying multiple tickets for one journey instead of one expensive through ticket. The algorithm finds the cheapest combination automatically. For example, London to Manchester might be £80 direct, but £45 if you split it into London-Birmingham and Birmingham-Manchester. Same train, same seat, way cheaper. Trainline doesn't do automatic split ticketing. You'd have to manually search and book separate tickets, which is a hassle and you'll probably miss the best deals. Winner? Trainpal. This feature alone saves serious money. App experience and features. Trainline's app is polished. Live journey updates, platform changes, delay notifications, mobile tickets with QR codes. Everything syncs perfectly. You can manage railcards, season tickets, and loyalty points all in one place. Trainpal's app is simpler, focuses on booking and showing your tickets. No real-time updates or fancy features, but it gets the job done. Less clutter, faster checkout. Winner? Trainline for features. Trainpal for simplicity. Customer support and refunds. Trainline has solid customer support, live chat, email, phone. Refunds and changes are handled through the app, and they work directly with rail operators to sort issues. Reliable. Trainpal support is decent but slower, email-based mostly. Refunds can take longer since they're a third-party platform. Some users report delays during peak times. Winner? Trainline for support and reliability. Bottom line, choose Trainpal if you're traveling within the UK, want zero fees, and need the cheapest possible fares through split ticketing. Budget travelers, this is your app. Choose Trainline if you travel across Europe, need real-time updates, premium features, and don't mind paying a small booking fee for convenience. That's Trainpal versus Trainline in 2025. Links to both apps are in the description. If this saved you money, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel hacks, and comment which one do you use. See you next time.